Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Educational Hive. Today, I will cover one new chapter that is parts of speech. Do you know what is speech? Speech means ability to speak. Even when you want to express your feelings through your words to your near and dear ones or to the relatives or to the people who are present in front of you. So we use some of the words to make a complete sentence. So speech is also, you can say, a sentence. So here, words are divided into different kinds or classes. Now let's see what is parts of speech. A parts of speech describe a role of word that plays in a sentence. Because without words, it cannot be a meaningful sentence or you cannot express your feelings, right? You know, there are 8 parts of speech and the words that we apply in our sentence to make it a meaningful one, each word having its own importance in that sentence and have important meaning in it. Let's go ahead. Now let's see in the screen. First one is given noun. Second one is given pronoun. Third one is given adjective. Then fourth one is verb. Fifth one is adverb. Sixth one is preposition. Seventh one is conjunction. And the eighth one is interjection. Here, I will explain all the parts of speech in a very short and a precise way, but you will understand very nicely. And in the coming video, I will come up with noun. Then pronoun, like this way, I will continue. Now let's begin with the first parts of speech, that is noun. So what is noun? Noun are naming words. Now you see, the things that exist in our surrounding or in your home, these all are noun. Because each of the object or any place's name or any person's name is a noun only. So the things that we can see, hear, touch, smell, this all belongs to noun. Now let's see few of the examples of noun. The rose smells sweet. The sun shines brightly. Kolkata is on the Hooghly River. Now here you see, I say the first one, the rose. This is a name, so it's a noun. The sun, this is also a name, so this is also a noun. And in the third one, you see Kolkata and Hooghly. That is a Hooghly River's name or a river's name. And Kolkata is a place name. So Kolkata and Hooghly River are the noun. Now let's go to the next one, that is pronoun. So what is pronoun? A word that is used in place of noun or instead of noun. Just now you came to know that noun means name, right? Now, whenever we talk about any name, whether it's animal, whether it's human being, whether it's any object, we cannot say repeatedly the same name in each of the sentences or in a paragraph. It will look odd. So what we do, we put some of the words in place of that name or in place of that noun. Like he, she, it, they, them, my, your, ourself, and many more are there. Now let's see few of the examples, then it will be clear to you. Jack is absent because he is ill. Would anyone like coffee? Jack and David are friends. They play basketball together. Now if you go through all this example, you will see one thing. The first one is saying John is absent because he is ill. So here he is John himself only. So in this sentence, the last part is talking about John only. Now next one you see, would anyone like coffee? Here anyone is the pronoun. Next one you see, Jack and David are friends. Now in the next part when I'm starting, I'm adding their they. So here they word is a pronoun. See, I have not used Jack and David once more in the second sentence. Understood? Now let's see next parts of speech, that is adjectives. An adjective is a noun is used to modify or describe the noun or a pronoun. Now let's see a few of the examples and it will be clear to you. The boy is tall and smart. Eva was pretty confused. There is a popular Indian restaurant nearby. Now you see in this all sentence, there is adjectives used. First one is talking about the boy is tall and smart. Here tall and smart talk describing about that boy. Eva was pretty confused. So here pretty word is describing about that girl. Next you see, there is a popular Indian restaurant nearby. So here popular and Indian, both the words describing about that restaurant. Now let's see the next parts of speech, that is verb. What is verb? Verb are actually action words like reading, writing, then sleeping, jumping, crying, smiling. These all are action words. So let's see a few examples. Iron and copper are useful metals. Here our word is a verb. Next you see, we are eating pizza tonight. So are eating here used as a verb. Next you see, she sat there quietly. So here sat word is used as a verb. Now let's see the next parts of speech, that is adverb. So what is an adverb? A word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. Means it is describing about the verb. Like I am writing slowly. So here slowly word is the adverb. Means when you are describing the verb more elaborately. Clear? Now let's see the examples. He solved the sum quickly. So here quickly word is an adverb. Jane is sitting close to me. So here close word is an adverb. Next, the newspaper was bought daily. So here daily word is also an adverb. Clear? Now let's see the next parts of speech. Preposition. What is preposition? A word or group of words are used to link noun or pronoun or phrases to other words in a sentence. Preposition words like in, on, under, above, below. So there are many words are there in order to show the position of an object or of a noun. Clear? Now let's see few of the examples. The cow is in the field. Here in is showing us the preposition of place. A couple of trees fell over during the storm. So here over word is used as a preposition over here. I will do my project in the evening. So it is showing us the time. So preposition of time. Here in word is used as a preposition of time. Now let's see the next parts of speech. That is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that is used to join words or join sentences. Like and, or, but, because, since, though, and many more are there. Now let's see few of the examples. Look into it and you will understand how two sentence is joining or two words. Number one, Ram and Hari are cousin. Here Ram and Hari, two separate person joining with the word and. Next you see, I drank a glass of water because I was thirsty. Here because is used to show us the reason and also to join or connect the sentences. Next you see, Angel is good in singing but poor in dancing. So here but word is used as a conjunction to join two separate sentences. Clear? Now next one we will see the last part of speech, that is interjection. Interjection is used to express sudden feeling. Like sometimes when you win the game, we say hooray. When someone passed away or maybe no more in this world, we say alas. If you have done something great or courageous, we say bravo. So these are few words I have mentioned in this video, but there are many more. Now quickly, let us see the examples. Hooray! We have won the match. And you know here exclamatory sign is used to express your sudden feeling. Okay. So hooray is the interjection. Alas, she is no more. So here alas word is interjection. Next you see bravo. You have done a great job. So this bravo word is also interjection. I hope what I have explained so far, you have got little bit of knowledge about it, right? Now I will ask you only 4 questions. Let me see how you can give the answer. So the first question is, I bought a beautiful dress at the mall. So here beautiful word is adjective, interjection, pronoun or adjectives. Here beautiful word is adjective. Very good. I left my shoe under the bed. Here under word what? Adjectives, pronoun, preposition or interjection. Here under word is a preposition. Well done. Now next one, let us see. What did she ask you to do? Here she word is what? Preposition, pronoun, adjectives, interjection. Here she word is a pronoun. Well done. Well, I don't think I will be home there before 6 in the evening. So here well word is what? Adjectives, pronoun, preposition, interjection. Here well word is interjection. Very good. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want further videos related to these all topics, then please comment in the comment box. That's all for today. Bye bye.